family escaped a raging house fire with their lives. It happened on Rockefeller Road near Wickliffe High School this evening. The fire chief says the family members got out, but it was a close call because the weather conditions were helping the flames.
It started in the garage possibly, and the wind has been our biggest enemy tonight. The high winds, the large volume of flames have fanned it through the house prior to our arriving on scene.
The fire not only destroyed part of the home and the garage, but also 2 cars that were in it. Investigators are still looking into what caused tonight's blaze.